Do you know that if you fry your chicken this way, you have just made yourself the ultimate battered, crispy chicken, the KFC style. If you try this recipe, you are never gonna buy your chicken from the restaurant any longer. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, you're most welcome. If you are an old subscriber, thanks for being here. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscription button and subscribe. So into my bowl, I have my chicken leg. After cleaning, I'm going to cut into the chicken. I'm doing this just so when I add my seasoning, it gets into every part of the chicken. Once I'm done cutting into the chicken, I'm going to damp the chicken with a paper towel, just so we can take out the excess water. Then we're going to go ahead and seasoning our chicken. Here I have garlic powder, ginger powder, white pepper, onion powder, oregano, some salt, some black pepper, cayenne pepper, turmeric powder, parsley flakes. I added some chicken powder and I mixed thoroughly. We're going to make sure all the seasoning gets incorporated into all the chicken like this, into every part of it. This is what we're looking for. Now we're going to go ahead and add our flour. Here I'm using 1 cup of flour, then I added 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix again, then I'm going to add some water. At this point, you need to be very careful when you're adding the water because we don't want it to be too thick or too loose. You want the paste to be consistent like this. After mixing, we're going to go ahead and add 1 egg. And then we're going to mix this again. After mixing, at this point I'm going to go ahead and set the chicken aside in a colander. I'm doing this just so we can take out the excess paste on the chicken. I'll leave this for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'll heat up some oil. Now we're going to go ahead and start deep frying our chicken. You don't want to overcrowd the chicken in the oil. And then we're going to go ahead and flip on both sides, just so it can get done properly. We're going to be frying this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now this is what we're looking for. This is so crispy. And then we're going to set this aside on a tray. We'll keep frying until we are done frying all our chicken. And then once we're done, you can enjoy with anything you like. I made some fries with this chicken and it was so delicious. You can see how juicy and tender it looks. It's so delicious. If you try this recipe, I bet you're not gonna buy crispy chicken from the restaurant anymore. If you have watched this video up until this moment, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscription button and the notification bell so that when I upload new video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you for your support, and I will see you next time. Bye.